Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip looking at choosing and planting spring flowering bulbs. Even though late summering flowers may still be going strong, October is a month to think about next year and plant spring flowering bulbs. You can plant in pots for a different choice of flowers and colours each year, or through grass for large scale naturalised effect planting. But most commonly we plant a few clusters of bulbs in a mixed border to extend the flowering of season of interest and give us some joy after winter. If asked to name spring flowering bulbs, most people might offer up tulips, daffodils and crocus. So I'm going to suggest a few other options that are a little less well known but still very garden worthy. Firstly, Alliums, the great ornamental onions, that are becoming more popular now and are a great addition for late spring flowering in May. They are also best planted in amongst other plants because the dying foliage is spectacularly ugly just as the flowers are at their best, and you want it to be covered by surrounding plants that grow up whilst the allium flower heads rise above. In contrast, Dwarf Iris are one of the first to flower and, as the name suggests, need a front of border spot as they only grow to 15 to 20 centimetres. Look for Iris reticulata as the species name when buying bulbs. They really combine well with yellow and white crocus. And finally, probably the least well known but my favourite is a UK native wildflower bulb that thrives in damper and shadier places, so can be very useful in a garden. And these are snake's head fritillary, definitely not a shrinking violet. The common name comes from the shape and colour of the purple checkered flowers. There is a naturally arising white form, but it is much less common, but they really look great combined together, and it's fairly random. Once established, these fabulous flowers spread gently by seed throughout the border, so unlike most bulbs, I leave mine, I don't deadhead, and I let the seed heads form, mature and die off naturally, scattering that seed through the border. So, happy bulb planting this autumn, whatever your choice. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.